Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about keeping your vehicle clean. Again, with the novel coronavirus, we need to keep the surfaces we touch clean. So one tool, we can use our disinfecting wipes. Remember, we'll talk more about this later, but these are a pesticide. You need to follow the label instructions. And this particular brand, it says in the back, is not suitable for cleaning your hands. You should never use this to clean your hands or face or anything else. These are for hard surfaces only. So what are you cleaning your vehicle? Well, first you want to think of the areas you touch most often, because it's not so much your germs, but you may touch something and then leave something on the vehicle. So first of all, you think of areas that you don't think of a lot. Now, I don't have a truck, but in my SUV we have a back gate, which is equivalent to your canopy handle. So you want to check those out. Go back to the handle, clean the area. You want to clean your door handle. You may have touched it. Now remember, this product says it needs to have contact to the surface is wet, so you need to make sure you use a fresh towelette and make sure your surface is wet. Open the vehicle. Think about your door handle. Right here where you place your arm on the door itself. Your steering wheel. All of these areas are areas that you could be contaminating or infecting with the virus you picked up on your hands. You want to do your console and your drinking areas. Center console, your shift handle, and if you want to do your seatbelt, now don't forget your seatbelt. This area should be clean where you touch. I suppose if you wanted to, you could drive wearing your gloves, and that probably wouldn't hurt anything. But if you do a regular cleaning of your vehicle, you probably do not need to protect yourself to that level. But again, always wash your hands constantly whenever you have the chance, and don't touch your face with your hands that are not sanitized or cleaned. Thank you very much.